Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a makeup tutorial. I don't know what I want to do, but I know that I want to do makeup, that's for sure. So I've already moisturized my face. I use the Dermalogica Skin Smoothing Cream. This is my go-to moisturizer at the moment. And next for the foundation, but I forgot to wet my beauty blender. So let me go wet it and I'll be back. So I wet them, and this is actually not the beauty blender. This is the beauty blender. This green one is the Eco Tools one that I bought like a month ago, and I'm just now using it. But beauty blender has some competition right now because this is really soft, just like the beauty blender, and it blends just as good, and it's only like $8, I think. So first I'm applying my Urban Decay foundation. After foundation, I'm just going to go on to the highlights and contour part because this needs to go away. But even if this wasn't here, this little extra person, I was still highlight and contour. So I'm going to use the Iconic London Multi-Use Contouring Set. I'm going to use this color first, then I'm going to use this color to contour. And I'm going to apply that with my Makeup Addiction Traditional Painter brush. First I'm going to add some dermalogical oil to it. I like the finish that I get from this, but I've never tried it with my Iconic Cream Contours. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in here. Just going to do one drop for now. Oh wow, okay. So far so good. So these are the areas that I like to highlight, and because this color is so light, I'm just going to concentrate it like right here instead of putting it all right here. When I blend it, it's going to look better. So I'm going to try to use the other end of this to see if it works, because I haven't tried the other end yet. Looks pretty good. I like it a lot. I mean, it is a little awkward because I'm so used to the beauty blender and the point at the top. So, I mean, it blends very well. And I love it. Just gotta get used to it, I guess. So now that everything is blended, I'm going to set it with some powder. And I'm going to set it with my Color du Jour setting powder. This is my favorite. And whatever powder is left over on the sponge, I'm just going to put it right here below the contour. So to set the contour, I'm going to use the Iconic London Multi-Use Contouring Set, and this is the Powder Contour Set. And I'm going to do that with my Dose of Colors Tapered Blush Brush. It's for blush, but I like to use it for contour. And I'm going to take all three of these bottom colors right here. Just hit it when the makeup gets in your hair. I'm going to do my eyebrows, and you guys know I like to do that off camera because my camera heats up and I can never make it through the whole thing. So look, it's heating up right now, so I need a new camera, guys, but it cost $3,000 and ain't nobody got money for that. So I'm done with my eyebrows and I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to use the new Laura Lee and Violet Voss palette. I love this palette so much. They came out with a Ride or Die palette, and that is a Ride or Die palette for sure. But today I want to focus on this palette. I want to use these two colors here, my transition colors. So I'm going to first start off with Mama Bird. And I'm going to use my Makeup Addiction Diffused Blender brush. So I'm just putting that, excuse me, that burp. So I'm putting that sort of like above the crease. So my crease is like really right here, but I'm putting it a little bit above the crease. That way when my eyes are open, you can still see a little bit of that in the crease. And you guys know I really don't like doing winged eyeliners because it takes me forever to do it, and I just can't. I just can't do it. Next we're going to take this color right here, Ragamuffin, and put that in the crease as well. Next, we're going to take Bubs, and put that on the outer crease right here. And I'm going to use a different brush to do that. This is the Makeup Addiction Pro Blender brush. I love Makeup Addiction. So as you can see, again, I'm starting in the outer corner and then going in, but really lightly. And then if there's like a harsh line there, then take that other brush and blend it so that it's blended seamlessly. Okay, so I got a little bit ahead of myself and I started doing this eye. I'm sorry about the noise if you can hear it. They're doing some yard work outside. Not my yard, somebody else's yard. The next thing I use is the Sephora black eyeliner. This is the jumbo size. Yeah, this is the Sephora Colorful Shadow and Liner black eyeliner. And you guys know I haven't really done a black liner in a long time. Next, I'm just going to blend the bottom lash line with Bubs eyeshadow. And I'm using the Nicole Concealio and Tarte brush. I don't know what this is called. I like to call it my bottom lash line brush because it works amazing for the bottom lash line. So now I'm going to take those two crease colors right here and put them on the lower lash line as well. Next, I'm going to take the new Makeup Geek foiled pigments and I'm going to use this color here. This one is called Gargoyle. And before I apply it, I'm going to put some of this glitter glue on. I know it's not a glitter, but I find that it helps amazingly with pigments too. Look how pretty that looks. So now that I did the eyes, I am going to sweep away the powder that's under there because I did get fallout. So if you guys have issues with having fallout, just leave the powder on from when you were baking, and then that way it can catch the fallout. So when you sweep it away, it doesn't mess up your makeup. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Velvet 59 mascara. This is what it looks like. For lashes, I'm going to use the new Lily Lashes Bandless Lashes. And these are Delara. I've already used them, so they're kind of dirty. So for the lips, I'm going to use this eyeliner. Yes, I said eyeliner. I like using this because it works so well with my skin tone. And then for the lips, I'm using this new Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. This is called Knock on Wood. It's so pretty. So to finish off the face, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pearl Face Powder, and I'm the color Soft Honey. And I'm just going to put that on just to blend everything. And then for some highlight, I'm going to use the Iconic London Shimmer Palette. And first I'm going to apply the Brighten and Lift. And then on top of that, I'm going to put the Shimmer and Shine. And I'm using a Morphe fan brush. Ooh. After that, the look is complete. And lastly, I almost forgot, I wanted to apply some stuff in the tear duct. I'm going to use the House of Dolls highlighter and apply that in the tear duct area. Now the look is complete. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And then subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.